Welcome to NetElixir's e-commerce SEO video series. In this video, we are going to learn how to handle discontinued products and see a live demonstration on how to do this inside of Shopify. First off, there are two types of discontinued products to keep in mind. Number one, there are temporarily discontinued products that are out of stock for a limited time and will come back later. Two, there are permanently discontinued products that are out of stock and will no longer be coming back because of manufacturing or because a new model has replaced them. There are several best practices to keep in mind when handling temporarily discontinued products. 1. Keep the product page live and running. Do not disable the product page. 2. Mention that the product is out of stock on the product page itself. 3. Make sure to inform users of when the product will become available again. 4. Have an opt-in form to notify the users of when the product will be back in stock via email. And 5. Make sure to add related products to the below section of the page so that users can find similar products. The process for handling permanently discontinued products will be drastically different from handling temporarily discontinued products, and they will require custom solutions. The three primary factors to consider are 1. The number of backlinks the product page has, 2. The level of traffic it received, and 3. The level of search demand for the product before coming up with any solution for the page. If the permanently discontinued product has no backlinks, traffic, or authority, add a noindex tag to the page. Go into your Shopify's backend and select Online Store, then Themes. Then click Actions in the upper right-hand corner and select Edit Code from the drop-down. Navigate to theme.liquid file on the left. To add our noindex tag to the page, look at the URL, black leather bag 2, and add if handle has black leather bag 2, the robot should be noindex nofollow. If not, it should be index follow. Using this model, you can add as many discontinued products as needed. Once tags have been added, click Save, go back to URL, and click Refresh. Then view source code to see if tag has been added or not. This will allow you to add noindex nofollow to any discontinued product. However, if the product had backlinks, traffic, and authority, simply add a relevant 301 redirect. Go into your Shopify's backend and click on Products in the left navigation. Select your product that is no longer available. Change the product status from active to draft in the upper right-hand corner. Save the change. Once saved, the product page becomes a 404. Click back to Products, then click on the product that is most relevant to the one you just made inactive. Copy the URL of the new product and go back to Shopify Online Store. From there, click Navigation, then click URL Redirects in the upper right-hand corner. From there, click Create URL Redirect green button at the bottom. Copy-paste the URL for the discontinued product in the From field and the URL for the new relevant product in the To field. Then click Save Redirect in the lower right-hand corner. Now navigate to the discontinued product in browser and the new product will appear. This redirect will allow you to retain the SEO value of the old discontinued product. And that's it. As every site is different, if you have any questions on how to handle the discontinued products on your site, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this episode of NetElixir's SEO Hacks. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest content.